I'm Pankaj Saxena. I look after this hotel, Aditya Park, part of Sarovar Hotels. Sarovar Hotels, I'm sure you know, we third largest company in hotel operators in India. We operate in two countries, India and Africa, and we have 60 hotels in 40 cities we have. And Aditya Park has been doing this activity of energy conservation from a long time. And our first recognition came by Government of India at New Delhi was at 2006, where we was awarded as the first prize. And 2011 again we have repeated the history, and we got it's the only hotel in Andhra Pradesh this year we have received a award of certificate of merit on the 14th December, where Honorable Prime Minister of India was present, Mr. Sushil Kumar Shinde ji was present, who gave this award to us. And this was certificate of merit, and there were totally 93 establishments in the country who've got this, and we are part of one, and it gives us immense pleasure to receive this award. And in the hotel, we of course we have a big team of green team who is called drivers of this activity, and we have a lot of implementations in engineering also to ensure that we do and result into saving, like power savers and fuel fetch catalyst. We de-super heater, and the list is so on and on and on. And the primary factor is the awareness, what we do in employees and surroundings and the environment. And we do a lot of activities like World Environment Day, Energy Conservation Day, or the Tourism Day, where we do a lot of garbage cleaning drive. We do a lot of awareness drive, lot of drive we do with the public walking on the roads also, apart from employees in the hotel. This is the activity, and internally and externally, which helps us to achieve some status of this nature, which is recognized nationally. So hope in times to come also we will continue in the same way and ensure that we get more awards at Aditya Park Sarovar Hotel. We feel extremely delighted, and our Chief Executive Officer Mr. Madhukar Nigam was there personally to receive the award in Delhi by Minister of Power, Mr. Shinde ji, and it was extremely a pride moment for us, and more than that, it's a pride moment for Andhra Pradesh also, being a part of this state, and we're getting award, and we're getting a lot of support from government to ensure that we generate so much of saving and produce results.